Hey there, real estate family. Jason Patino with LPT Realty here. I'm going to drop my daily scorecard on you guys so you can see what kind of activity we have going on here in the military vet team. Today I showed 8 homes to 5 clients, total purchase power of about $2 million. I got 5 new Zillow clients from both Flex and Touring. I've got 2 new organic clients. I put out 2 offers to listing agents for about $370K. I dealt with 1 counter at about 143. I got 2 in escrow currently for about 420. I sent out 5 of my buyers to my lender to get them qualified. Love my lenders. You know who you are. All of you. I've got 1 home. I got 5 1-home emails made. So I'm sending out my clients all the homes they want to see, and I'm seeing if they're looking, and I'm calling them on the things they're hearting. I've got 2 future tours booked today, and I did not get any recruiting calls done because my first call was at 8, and it's midnight, and nobody wants me to call them at midnight. But I did get my promo video done. How did you guys do today?